person who passed in 2003.
That cannot be, sir. Your argument cannot be accepted. Your argument would have been accepted if 31 persons were promoted in 2003.
Let me complete, my lords. Then, my lords, in cadre senior.
Huh?
In junior engineer cadre. Yes, of course.
Junior engineer, they are rightly around the senior. They have not passed AMI before 2005. If you have filled up these vacancies prior to 2005, what you say is correct. They are not eligible. But you are filling up those vacancies in 31/12/2008. As on that date, they were eligible.
Prevailing at that time was that the persons who had passed the AMIE examinations, belongs a separate eligibility seniority list, that is known as eligibility seniority list, is required to be prepared on the basis of the date of passing or year of passing. Now, year of passing, say 2003, that's how it was prepared. My lords may kindly say.
You are not understanding or what? Are you giving promotion to 31 persons from 2003? I am asking you. Show us, sir. Show us your order.
Person who passed in 2003.
That cannot be, sir. Your argument cannot be accepted. Your argument would have been accepted if 31 persons were promoted in 2003.
Let me complete, my lords. Then, my lords, just kindly see to page 22. So, in 2003, my lords, 3 persons had passed the AMI examinations.
Yes.
So, their name came in 2003. Then, 2004. Persons who passed in the year 2004 AMI examination, which was the qualifying examination, their total number was, my lords, 35.
Yes.
Now, my lords, in 2005, persons who have passed the eligibility AMI examination, that is, my lords may kindly see on the next page, page number, my lords, 23. My lords have seen.
Yes.
Then first name is of the petitioner, Dinesh Prasad Pratap Singh.
2005.
2005, because he passed the AMI eligibility examination in 2005. Petition number 2, Dilip Kumar Sharma. Petition number 3.
All right, I have understood.
Yes. Now, all the petitioners passed the AMI eligibility examination in 2005 or later. Persons who had passed the eligibility examination prior to 2005, that I have listed. Now, the rule prevailing as of that date means as of the year 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, Milots and 8. Milots, the rule prevailing was that persons who have passed the examinations earlier, they will rank senior.
Yes.
Now, on that basis, it was prepared, and persons for the year who has passed earlier, they have been, Milots, on this basis of seniority, they have been granted promotion. Now, 2005 has not come. He could have got promotion, but unfortunately, Milots, because the Supreme Court has stayed all promotions, therefore,
That is not the issue here.
Milots. So, therefore, though it was being considered in 2008 cumulative effect, but if your lordships will see the rule prevailing in 2003 with respect to year-wise vacancies, 2004, 2005, 2006 and 2007, even till 2008, Milots, the vacancies were to be filled up on the basis of seniority of AMI. That was the rule. The rule altered subsequently in 2008, whereby it said that cadre seniority will be taken. Now, my lords, the grievance of the petitioner is that you apply that 2008 rule. Forget about 1998 rule.
Yes, they have to.
Well,
Their stand is
whatever may be, my lords. But what we have done is that we have taken the vacancies, the year of vacancies, and the rule prevailing in that year. So in 2003, we ought to have filled up in 2003. That, of course, could not be done. In 2004 also, 5, 6, 7, it could not be filled up because of bifurcation of the state, and cadre was being divided between Jharkhand and Bihar.
Yes.
So the state of Jharkhand was created, this bifurcation and cadre division was in fact finalized in 2008. Now, after 2008, the vacancies was crystallized. That year-wise, how much vacancies comes to Bihar. Now, on that basis, the rule which was prevailing in 1998, I may not read the rule if you want, but in that, but I can place before your lordships two judgments. Now, this was the issue which was categorically decided by the division bench, where how the seniority has to be fixed for the purposes of granting promotion under AMI quota. There it said that the seniority has to be on the basis of persons who have passed the AMI from the year, because that was the privilege.
You are repeating the same thing.
2 minutes. That is the reason why, my lord, that was done.
That's all.
That's all.
Yes, you want to say something? Yes. Yes, take them.
And Lord, secondly, my learned friend wants that the whatever promotions has been given or the seniority has been given, that should be annulled. And Lord, in this place, Lord, the petitioners who have not been granted promotion.
Sir, if the petitioners are eligible for promotion in the year 2000, 31/12/2008, they are eligible. They should be promoted if they are senior.
In cadre senior.
Huh?
In junior engineer cadre. Yes, of course.
Junior engineer, they are rightly around the senior. They have not passed AMI before 2005. If you have filled up these vacancies prior to 2005, what you say is correct. They are not eligible. But you are filling up those vacancies in 2000, 31/12/2008. As on that date, they were eligible.
But we applied the rule prevailing on
That is not permissible. Even recently, Apex Court in the case of State of Himachal Pradesh versus Rajkumar in 2023 held that earlier vacancy cannot be carried out and fill up in accordance with old rule. Who are the contesting respondents?
Maharaj, then Milords, the persons will have to be given notice, because those persons will go.
Notice has not been given.
No.
Not appeared, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Notices have been issued.
31 persons.
Appears,
They
Your
are
Lordship.
party to the suit.
Lordship. Appears, Your Lordship.
Appears correct. Who?
Milords, respondent number, Milords, 6 onwards, 6 to Milords 32.
6 to 32.
Milords.
Lordship, Mr. Arvind Bajrangi Lal, Your Lordship, appear for private respondents. Plus, several councillors Sanjay Pandey, Lordship, Bajrangi Lal, Dhurendra Kumar, Vikas Kumar, Nadim, Lordship. These are the appeared on behalf of respondents, Your Lordship.
The registry is hereby directed to clarify as to whether respondents 6 to 32 have been served or not, except respondent 6, who is respondent 8, who is represented by Mr. So and so counsel, or in the alternative to give an opportunity to the contesting respondents. Where is this matter on so and so? Today, the counsel for the respondent filed supplementary counter affidavit on behalf of respondent number 2. Perusal of the supplementary affidavit, it is evident that even though vacancies have been calculated from 2003, dash 11 vacancies, 2004 -05, 2005-01, 2006-00, 2007-04, 2008-31. Overall, that's 52 vacancies. However, they have filled up 31 vacancies. By promoting the eligible junior engineer to the promoting the junior engineer to the post of assistant engineer on 1/4/2010. Thereafter, during pendency of the present petition, before that, within bracket, prospective, the further date of promotion has been modified from 1/4/2010 to that of 31/12/2008 on 22/10/2018. In the light of these facts and circumstances, one has to draw inference that 31 vacancies were filled up. 31 vacancies of assistant engineers were filled up while promoting junior engineer is only on 1/4/2010, even though vacancies were occurred between 2003 to 2008. In other words, such of those persons who are eligible the respective year between 2003 to 2008, they have not been promoted to the post of assistant engineer from a retrospective date with reference to vacancy read with each of the junior engineers eligibility to be promoted to the post of assistant engineer. So further, it is to be noted that retrospective promotion has been given to those 31 persons on 22/10/2018, while assigning the date of promotion to the post of assistant engineer as 31/12/2008. In other words, irrespective of occurrence of vacancies between during the period from 2003 to 2008, the second respondent has taken a decision to promote to fill up 31 vacancies on 1/4/2010. As on 1/4/2010, whether the petitioners were eligible or not has not been examined by the second respondent before effecting promotion to 31 candidates, 31 junior engineers. Further, when the second respondent has promoted those 31 assistant engineer with a retrospective effect from 31/12/2008 on 22/10/2018, in that event, eligibility of the petitioners and contesting respondent number 6 to 32 was required to be assessed as to whether each of the senior person has fulfilled the criteria for the purpose of promotion to the post of assistant engineer or not. The counsel for the respondent, official respondent, on instruction submitted that though vacancies were occurred between the year 2003 to 2008, it has been filled up with effect from 31/12/2008, and it is with reference to amended rule issued in the year 2008. It is submitted that vacancies occurred prior to 2008 is required to be filled up with reference to unamended rules
1998,
1998.
Annexure 1.
The same cannot be accepted for the reasons that recently appeased court in the case of state of Himachal Pradesh versus Rajkumar. It is held that vacancies occurred under the old rules or unamended rules cannot be operated when the field is occupied by amended rules. release this matter on so and so after 2 weeks.
Lordship,
Matlab,
serial number 35 is also
35 also.
serial number 35.
First, may I pray dispensation?
Personal appearance of official respondents stands dispensed until further orders. But you please send one official for any assistance.
Because he is going on training, Lords.
No, whatever it may be, send an official who is well conversant with the matter.